Topic is data structure. So today we will start introduction to data structure. So in this introduction part, so we already know that everywhere we will be storing the data. So the data, whatever we are storing nowadays, the data should be stored in a proper manner, in a proper structure. If you go back to the history, in 1960s itself, the data structure got so much importance in the world. So in the 1960s, they identified the importance of this data structure and they developed Python programming language through which real-time applications they can develop through data structure, through data processing techniques. So actually in the introduction part, if you see in the data structure, so here this complete data structures is divided into two parts. Primitive data structure, non-primitive data structure. So primitive data structure part, if you see, int, float, double, long double. So in the primitive data structures, we already see in the C programming language, basic programming language, how to declare integers, how much memory will be stored for integer data types, float data types, double data types, long double data types. So we also see in C++ programming language. Okay. So in the coming to non-primitive data structures. In the non-primitive data structures, linear data structures and non-linear data structures. So in the linear data structure, arrays will be coming, stacks will be coming, queues will be coming, linked list will be coming. In the non-linear data structure, trees, graphs will be coming. So as it is in the introduction part of the data structure, just outlook overview will be seen. So here the exact data structure definition you can see. So it's like actually in the data structure, complete algorithms will be there. So these algorithms will be implementing in any programming language, not only in the C programming language. Whatever these algorithms we have, that we will implement in any programming language. So here we can see array data structure, stack data structure, queue data structure, linked list. See, all these things are nothing but algorithms only. So these algorithms we are implementing in some programming language. For example, if you see in the C programming language, we already implemented arrays concept already introduced in the C programming language. So if you see the declaration of arrays, so some 5 elements we are storing in the memory. So in the memory block, some address will be taken. So we are storing 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So indirectly this is also a data structure we already learned in the C programming language. As in the introduction part, just again I am reminding you. So in this data structure, this array element will be consist of 5 elements: 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So in the memory location, it will be stored. This 10 will be stored in the memory address of 2024. 20 will be stored in the memory address of 2026. 30 will be stored in the memory address of 2028. In 2030 address, this 40 will be stored. 2032 address, 50 will be stored. So here, if I want to search this 30th element, ARR of 3. So here we can write, so array basic address is 2024. So 2024, okay, plus 3 into, suppose I want to find out the whatever the data element stored in this particular address. So 3 into size of that address. So size of the address is 2 bytes. So 3 into 2. So 2024 plus 6. 2030. So ARR of this is the index 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose I want to find out this ARR of 3 address. So 2030 address, what is the value I stored here is 40. Okay. So this 40 address, this 40 data element is stored in the particular address of 2030. So I want to find out ARR of 3, index 3. So this index 3 element, whatever the data element stored is 40 with this particular address 2030. So we got this 40 data element in this particular address. So this is a array data structure concept actually. To find out the searching process, data searching process, we find out this 48th element which has been stored in this particular address location, memory block. So here this is nothing but array data structure. So here I already explained to you. So in this data structure, primitive and non-primitive data structures are there. So in the primitive data structures, we already learned in the C programming language about integer data type, float data type, double data type, long double. All these will come under primitive data structures. So main concept, main topics of this introduction to data structures is non-primitive data structures, which has been divided into two parts, linear and non-linear. As this is the introductory class, introductory section of this topic, just outlook I will explain. So in the linear data structure, just you have seen the concept of array data structure. Just now I explained how we are searching the data element of 40 with the index value of 3. So index concept is very much important in this array data structure for the searching process. Just I don't want to go in depth, just outlook I want to explain in the introductory data structure. So here next topic is stack. So stack, just I will see, we'll be seeing the stack. So what is the definition of stack actually? So arranging some elements. For example, if you take, I want to arrange the CDs in a particular stack.